Hi, I'm Rick with City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District. Today we're going to create a basket weave of recycled materials. So the supplies we're going to need, glue stick, scissors, and newspaper and or magazines, whichever you have available to you. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take the old newspaper. We're going to cut 8 small strips like so. You can make them however length you want. You just want 8 of them about the same size. And then you're going to have 3 more longer strips like so. Okay, so we actually have one started here so you have an idea. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay it across 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're just going to lightly just weave these through. One over, one under, one over, one under, creating this shape here. Now, once you get the floor of the box made, you're going to take your squares, which are these longer ones, just cubed up and glued together into a glue stick. And we're going to start in the middle. And again, we're just going to weave this so every other one is going to go through. So 1, 2 on the inside. So it can get a little tricky at times. You just got to keep working with it. And eventually you'll make it all the way around. Okay. Now once you get to the top row, you're going to take your glue stick and you're just going to glue them together, just making sure that the top one stays secure. So here you have the finished product. Don't forget to join us on social media every day for crafts, tips, contests, and more. And make sure you put in the comments below your handy basket. Thanks for watching.